Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll talk about how to make money on Lemon8. Are you looking for a new platform to turn your creativity into income? Lemon8, a rising star in social media, might be your next big opportunity. Let's dive into how you can make money. First, focus on building a niche audience. Lemon8 thrives on visually appealing niche content. Whether it's fashion, fitness, travel, or food, consistently post high-quality visuals and relatable captions. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages to foster a loyal community. After that, as your following grows, brands may approach you for collaborations. You can also reach out to them proactively. Showcase your value by highlighting your engagement rates and unique content style. Sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or product reviews are great ways to monetize through partnerships. Use affiliate marketing to earn commission on products you promote. Lemon8 allows you to share links in your posts or bio. Every time your followers make a purchase using your link, you earn a percentage. Choose products that align with your niche to maintain authenticity. Also guys, if you have your own services or products, Lemon8 is a great platform to showcase them. Use storytelling and creative visuals to attract potential customers. For example, if you're a fitness coach, share transformation stories and other training plans. Lastly, consistency is crucial. Post regularly, analyze what content performs best, and refine your strategy. Over time, you'll see your following and earning potential grow. And that's how you can start making money on Lemon8. Are you ready to turn your creativity into income? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and check the link in the description for exclusive resources. Thank you for watching.